Now you're going to see how do we add the other pieces of the truss that are not straight cuts. Well, we do that by starting by laying your stick exactly over your plan. That's why you drew it to exact scale. Put it exactly where you would want it on your plan. Take your pen or pencil, draw a line exactly where you want it cut and at the angle you want it cut. Just going to kind of cut the tip off of this guy. Now I'm going to take my stick and I'm going to use what's called a miter box to cut that. The miter box looks like this. You'll see it has 45-degree angles going across and 190-degree angle going straight up. This allows you to place your stick in the groove of the miter box and get an angle that's relatively close to where you would like to cut it. Usually you would have the miter box on the edge of a table to hold it secure, but for the purposes of this video, I will show you how to cut it from this angle. You just have to saw it in half using the miter saw. There I have my cut. Now my angle may not yet be perfect, but it's pretty close at this point, and I will show you in a moment how to make it just right. I'm going to now cut my other part off. Just the end of that stick. About there. Okay. Now I see that my angles are not exactly how I want them. I now need to take what's called an emery board, which you might use for your nails, and shave off any extra parts I don't want. Trying to get the perfect angle. So I have a nice, tight wood on wood joint. We don't want gaps in our joints. And there we go. I will pin this in place. And I would then continue to measure and cut the rest of my pieces. When I have all the pieces down and I like the way my truss looks, then I can get to gluing.